You have been recording tributes as they come in. The Reports tab is where all of that giving turns into something you can read. The Tribute Donations report lists every gift, who gave, in whose name, the tribute type, the amount, and the date. You can narrow it down by tribute type, by template, by whether a gift was anonymous or recurring, or to a single honoree. The tabs across the top sort by status. The Honoree Leaderboard ranks the people being remembered. By amount raised, the largest tributes sit at the top. Ask a different question. Rank by the number of gifts instead, and the order changes. Margaret Ellery, remembered in 10 separate gifts, moves to first. Any view can be exported to a spreadsheet ready for a board packet or a year-end summary. Reporting on a memorial program comes down to who, how much, and how often. And it is all in one place. Next, building a memorial page. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.